Long, long ago, in a forest filled with chirps and melodies, lived a little bird. He wasn't like the others. While they soared high and fast, he fluttered low and slow. His wings felt weaker, and his flights were always a struggle. The other birds would often point and laugh. "Look, it's Slow Bird, Slow Bird." Sometimes their teasing made the little bird's heart heavy with sadness, but deep inside a tiny spark of determination refused to go out. He told himself, "I might not be the best, but I can be the hardest worker." So a new chapter began for the little bird. Every single day, long before the sun painted the sky with its morning colors, he was awake. While the other birds were still dreaming in their cozy nests, he was already up in the air practicing. He flapped his wings again and again, pushing against the morning chill. He flew under the scorching midday sun until sweat beaded on his feathers. He didn't stop for the heavy rain, using the downpour to build his strength. Even when fierce winds tried to push him back, he pushed forward with all his might. He never ever stopped. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. A change was happening. Slowly but surely, his flying improved. The weak flutters turned into powerful strokes. He flew higher, his movements became stronger, and his speed, once a source of shame, was now a source of pride. One sunny afternoon, the birds announced a grand flying race. It was the biggest event of the year, and every bird in the forest signed up, including our little friend. The others snickered, whispering that the slow bird would surely come in last. But when the race started, something incredible happened. Whoosh! The little bird shot forward like an arrow. He flew with a grace and power no one had ever seen from him before. He soared higher, faster and stronger than anyone else, a blur of motion against the blue sky. He crossed the finish line first. All the other birds were stunned into silence. Their eyes were wide, their beaks hung open in disbelief. In that moment of shocked silence, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, carrying with it a quiet wisdom. It was as if a voice whispered to the little bird, "Hard work always shines. Believe in yourself. Never give up." The other birds finally understood. The slow bird had flown first. The small bird had become great. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. You don't have to be the fastest, the strongest, or the smartest from the start. With discipline, effort, and the courage to keep going, you can achieve anything. Believe in your own journey and never give up. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more stories that inspire.